Hi, I'm Tamra and I want to welcome you back to my kitchen. It's springtime in the Okanagan. Our crops are in the ground, but of course we've got nothing ready to harvest just yet. So I thought I'd share with you one of my old-time favorite recipes. It's called Mix in the Pan Carrot Cake, and it is so easy, it's almost embarrassing to do a video about it. So the recipe calls for 2 cups of flour, and you literally mix it in the pan. 1.5 cups of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of baking powder. Now last but not least, to add the spices. So we need 2 teaspoons of cinnamon and 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Not really a fan of nutmeg, but it is nice in this recipe, and proportionately to the cinnamon, it's not overpowering at all. So you just continue to mix that before we move on to the next step of adding all the wet ingredients. So it's 3 cups of carrots, and that's about 3 pretty large carrots grated. 4 eggs, and I usually mix the eggs and the oil together in a separate bowl. 1 cup of oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/2 cup of water. I'm going to mix the eggs first because my bowl's a bit full before I add the water. Now we'll add 1/2 cup of water. Now when you're making this, you're going to think, oh my word, that's more carrots than anything else. And the truth is it is. But this cake is so moist that it'll last a long time. I used to make it in 2 8x8s, but it doesn't take long to get it eaten up. Okay, so now we're going to add the wet ingredients, which is our mixture of oil, eggs, and a bit of water. And then literally you just mix it until it's mixed together. I've preheated the oven to 350. I'm going to pop it in there and cook it for 30 to 40 minutes. So here's our finished cake. We pulled it out of the oven. It baked about 40 minutes. And now we're ready to give it some icing. So I have a classic cream cheese icing that I use. You can use any kind of icing that you like. I'll include this recipe in the video. It's very simple though. Just a few crushed pecans on top, and there you have it. Mix in the pan carrot cake. If you found this video helpful, press the like button and subscribe for more videos.